I think the Guzheng is supposed to be like this. 是不是？这个是我的前面，这个是我的后面。Hi guys, welcome to my video today. So today I'm with so hard now. I'm putting on some traditional Chinese class, and I'm gonna play for you guys what we call the Guzheng. The Guzheng is the Chinese traditional musical instrument. Even though I don't know how to play it, but we're gonna learn together how to play it. So in the olden days, a long time ago, people could play the Guzheng as a musical instrument, even though it is so popular. I love it. Even though I'm a foreigner, I don't know how to play it, but I'm gonna learn how to play today. So let's go together. Let's try to do something together. Can I remember the keys? Interesting, you know? I know I can just touch it. But I'm trying. Let's try again. Yes guys, so that's how they used to play the traditional Chinese instrument. This is a Guzheng. It's got a lot of strings. I think from 1 up to, I don't know, so complicated. I don't even know the basic knowledge about it. I just know how to play a console. The one I just played. But it's the one like I was taught how to play.